Dumb. I'm dumb. No, whatever. Fuck it.
Can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control?
I'm so dumb. Oh.
So much more. I'll run, I'll hide. Darkness always clouds my mind. When I look behind, it's moving closer every time. I can't
GoPro, stop recording.
pretend that I have a strong defense.
What? Huh. I didn't know that was there. Messed up on that. Backwards. Round it off. Make this a little bit bigger to make life easier. Go up to like here, straight across.
Can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control? You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater. There's so much water. I can't have a strong
It is done. If these are screwed together, this will stay onto here, and then this piece and this piece are going to be screwed together. Essentially, when it's on there, it'll stay. It stays pretty good already. I could pick it up. You saw in the Instagram post if you follow us on Instagram. So tomorrow we're going to test this. I'm going to screw these holes in. I drilled pilot holes through here, these 3 holes to screw into this base. This is going to be one piece. This is going to be magnetically attached. And then I'm going to, if it fits and works, then when I get back, I'm going to paint, paint those shelves, and it'll all work. And then we're gonna Sikaflex or 3M 4000, it's in the box over there, into place with some also hinges just or L brackets just to make them stay. And then we have other surprises on the way. And yeah, we will see how this all goes. But we're back and we're doing some work. Trevor's not here because he's not here, but he'll be here tomorrow. Also, project car. And the back of the camera's covered in sawdust because I was cutting this to make it the same height. But that's irrelevant. No, 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 no. This side. No. Maybe? Yep. Fuck! Motherfucker. Excuse me.